This cone is designed like a pegboard. So there's like some extra holes in here to be able to do other designs. You don't have to do this design. This was just one of the easy ways that we wanted to be able to make everybody's look good, but you can get creative with it. So there are extra holes. So let me just show you some of the things that you could do with those extra holes. So let's say you're like, okay, you know what? I want to freestyle this area. This is where the pepper jack hole went, but there's also another hole right here. So let's say that you decided, I want to add an extra piece of pepper jack cheese. So what you could do is you could have like 2 toothpicks coming out of 2 different holes. You could add like one over here if you wanted to add some dimension coming out, and then add another piece over here. So look out for those extra holes in ways that you can add some of these extra ingredients. Now, you could also go totally rogue and you could say, look, I don't like the cheddar cheese. I decided that I don't like the cheddar cheese. You could like just take the cheese off. So let's see if we want to just do like a little extra meat row. So what happens if we take out the cheddar cheese completely? This is where you get to customize a lot of what you're doing. Making little ruffles here now, like little ruffles going down. And you can see here now we just have 2 rows of meat. Or let's say that you want 2 rows of meat, then you want a cheese, and then you want another meat. I'm gonna fold it like this, and I'm making like a little ruffle. So let's see what happens here if I do a little bit of ruffle, and I'm gonna point that downwards. I'm just like alternating. So now if I don't want a second cheddar cheese, I'm gonna take that out. Got plenty of ingredients to work with here. There's 3 ounces of meat in every single kit. So do you see how now I've got this little alternating? So you can see I just created like a little bit of a different aesthetic. And this is just like if I was making a charcuterie board, I would just be putting the meat right on the charcuterie board. Obviously wash your hands before you make your design. You can see here, look at how I just like customized it a little bit different, or you can use ingredients from home. So there's lots of room for customization. I don't know if you can see all the dimension that I just added